Good morning everyone, Nataliya here, Lovecraftforever, and we have today very cute unboxing. This product arrived from ArtDot. At this moment, as I record this video, I think it's not released yet in the store, so I'm just waiting for extra information for the email. But I had the good to record video right now and just do some editing as needed. So let's check it out. This is something cute and adorable. It says Diamond Art Bookmarks. It came in a little packaging like those gray bags. I already opened that. And this is how it looks like. What we have in here: friendly and hassle-free customer service, their website, support service. In here what's in this kit. So let's open together. I did not pick a book by myself because I wanted to see this together with you, what's on the inside. If you know me well, that you know I have a daughter, Catherine, who loves to read books. Oh my god, she has such a big collection of books and she keeps buying and buying and buying it. And not all bookmarks is good. I have many bookmarks, let's say in cross stitch or diamond painting, but they would be like all in diamonds, and if you put inside of the book with diamonds, it will damage your pages. So this one, I think it's a game changer for those who like to read and wants to have some cute bookmark. Let's see if I can just open, or I have to cut the sticker. Oh, maybe. Oh, thank goodness. I like when it's open up without sticky residue leaving a box. Okay. Oh, it got a little bit of the stickiness left. Did not pick the whole thing, but that's okay. I'm sure I'm not going to use this box. Let's see what's on the inside. I'm very interested. Okay, first thing is popping in here, pen with the blue and very glittery. We have in here 3 placer and 1 placer. I don't remember, did I ever have like a blue pen? Usually they all kind of white, clear. Even in here, oh no, I do have a one with the blue. I have some with the blue. This could be from ArtDot, I don't know, because also I have like a white one. So this one, you have a pretty blue. They kind of stick to the blue designs, their website, their product. So I love the style and how it looks like on their website. It's so clear and kind of airy, breezy. I don't know, I love it. I love this website, and they have lots of good stuff, and I do own lots of stuff. Now we have a diamonds. Oh, this is square diamonds. I don't think there's any specialty diamonds in here, just a square. And look at this. I guess this is all the characters that we're going to have in this organizer. Let's see how they look like. Oh, that's cute. What else in here? Thank you card with the QR code. There's something else in here. Oh, I think it's a tray. Come on, come on, come on. What kind of tray? What kind of tray we have in here? Oh, this fancy one. I love this trays. I have the whole okay, it's empty. I promise you, no, nothing else in here. I love this tray, and I have the whole set of tray that I'm using right now. It's with diamonds already. What's a good in here, if you're using a bigger multi-placer, you have in here this, maybe in the blue we can see better, those alone lines. If you want to use your 3 placer, you have separation by 3, which is really comfortable, and that's where your excess of diamonds will go in here. And look at that heart. I love you heart. I'm not sure if this video I will flip or not, so probably I will flip, so I'm showing kind of like towards me for you. So double-sided sticker in here, you peel it and you have your wax. If you are new to diamond painting, you just peel the protective sheet stick in here your wax, and you can pick up diamonds in here. So this is good organizer. I love that. And what I love also, that I have their logo in here. If you can see out of reflection in here, ArtDot written in here. Oh, you see reflection of the camera, sorry about that. And then we have what feels heavy. Here's our 4, are they magnetic or what? Oh, it's a go like through here. So here's how it looks like on the back, showing you how you have to work, and I guess what's the other characters you probably can order. So we're just going to pull out. So Pete the duck, let's see, Pete the duck. Oh, this is like a magnetic thing. It's like the fridge magnet sometimes, listen, or like for the pictures. So when I go in the book, okay, I do have a book in here, but not with writing. For example, if you want to go into the page and you want to separate where you're reading, this smooth surface will not damage your pages when you close your book. And of course you will have to push the old away like that. And then look how adorable this will look. So another side has a ArtDot. What is this on the back in here? Let me put my glasses. Craft. No, what is it? Craft is lifestyle. It's a very tiny writing in here with the aeroplanes. So that is cutie. So we have a name apparently for them, Pete the duck. Okay, we can put this away now. Then we have, who is this? Bobo the hamster. Here's the hamster. This one has maybe because he duck and he can fly, so here's like a aeroplanes. This one have duck, well, kind of bow, mustache, and the hat. It's almost like a Sherlock Holmes. Then we have Mia the cat. Okay, what's kitty cat have in here? Some kind of, it's like a makeup or something in here. I don't know. Cute little projects. And then we have Kuka the dog. Kuka. That's a cute names. Okay, what's the stuck? Oh. Okay. I have to say that this one got a little bit damaged. Maybe person who was stuck in them, whatever. This piece a little bit breaking in here. It will work for the book, but to pull out from here it's kind of catches. So I will have to put in here probably like a double-sided sticker, sticky like that stuff, or even a little bit of the glue. I don't know how strong it is. Yeah, got a little bit broken. I'm sure if I could tell this to the company, they would probably resend me new set, but I'm not going to. It's no big deal for me. But for you, if this happen, ArtDot are so good to resend you new kit if something wrong with yours, and no problem. So there we have 4 cute creatures. We have a beautiful tray that close lid, and you can keep your diamonds inside the pan. And then we have a diamonds. Let's see what kind of diamonds in here. It would be nice to have some like a AB, some specialty, but I think in here we have just like a regular resin diamonds, which they have a high quality diamonds, very shiny. You will love the look of your finished project. Oh, this is such a tiny bags. I never see this before. They kind of melt them to the little tiny pouches instead of like a big one from side to side. They shrink them, melt it to the tiny, because it's so little diamonds inside, right? So here is diamonds, white, the gold. How close we can see diamonds. Looks beautiful. Look how shiny already. Brown. Here. I didn't look yet. Maybe it's on the top of the bags. Symbols for each color. It doesn't look like any book to go with it. So we're gonna check in a minute. I did not check for that. Where is the symbols? Ooh, this one is so pretty. There. Gorgeous pink. Ooh, so pretty. Yeah, definitely high quality resin diamonds, not your regular plastic. That's beautiful. Yes. I have lots of diamonds, like even glow in the dark or AB or fairy dust. I could like switch colors to make it more shimmery. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to create as it is. And in here, I see the numerical number, which go not like from this side, but for this side. Interestingly, not from left to right, but from right to left. I do not see symbols in here. So where is the symbols for them? Oh, okay, never mind, it's right in here. So yeah, I was thinking about that's what you can order. It's actually the same characters that we have, I guess. Oh no, this looks like a, yeah, that's the one. A hamster, cat and dog. Okay, so yeah, symbols in here on the back. Here it is by DMC code in here. So you do have a DMC code on the diamonds on a packaging, as you can see. All right, so all good. And we're right now in 12 minutes, and I'm just thinking if we should try one now or not. Or maybe, you know what I will do? I will get back to you with these cuties. I will kit them up. I have empty containers, and in my separate video, we will do all 4 of them in one video. How about that? Today it's going to be just the unboxing part, review. All of them looks amazing. I like how they have like the magnetic style, so it's not going to slip from the book. Let me just check now. All of them, I think where they were trying to cut them out shape, they went a little bit further into the this kind of page. So which one? This one was kind of cut a little bit more. And let me see this one. I have a little tiny crack in here. I guess when they cut, obviously it was cut by machine, so maybe went a little bit further. I don't know, but it's going to work. I don't know if this is going to be from bending open, if it's going to continue break or not. That's the part that concerning me, but so far looks so adorable. So adorable. So yes, additional information you will find in the description box under the video, same as a link to this product, because right now they not in the store yet, because I'm pre-recording this video a little bit earlier, and since I receive email, go ahead and post. then you can go and shop. So by the time you're watching this video, it should be available already in the store. You can have my discount code. There is discount code you can see under the video in the description box. Save I believe 10%. I think it's not 10, maybe okay, you know what, it's going to be under the video. I will write down up there. And happy shopping. Don't forget to check it out, their tools and accessories. It's so many good products up there, really really good products, so you will not regret by ordering like cases where you can put your diamonds in it, or like light pad to put under your canvas when your canvas dark symbols and you cannot see very good. They have a different sizes. Also those big envelopes similar to what I have showed you with my finished cross stitch. They have in a blue beautiful book, and I do have 2 of them, and I keep diamond paintings in it. Check it out, very good. You can use them for your finished cross stitch, because I know many of you cross stitch and diamond painting, so it's good for both. Lots of things up there to pick and enjoy while you're creating. And happy shopping everybody. We are going to do this, maybe even I will take you to the campground with me, and we're going to do up there, listen to the birds chirping, and that would be cute little project to take with me to the campground. I think that's what I will do. So thank you so much for staying with me for the short video. I appreciate, and I will see you tomorrow.